Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions, one hilarious comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums. And on the right, meet the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo, the budget-friendly warrior. Let's see which one will clean up your act better. Ready? Let's get this cleaning party started. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Price. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes in at a whopping $869. Meanwhile, the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo is just $269. Reviewers agree that while the Roborock is a significant investment, it offers premium features that justify the cost. On the other hand, XIEBro is praised for being budget-friendly while still offering great functionality. If your wallet had a voice, it would probably be screaming, XIEBro! Now, let's get sucked into the details. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a mighty 4,200 pascals suction power, making it ideal for homes with pets and heavy dirt. Reviewers love its powerful suction, stating it can handle almost anything. The XIEBro offers 1,600 pascals, which is decent but less powerful. It's effective for regular cleaning, but may struggle with heavier debris. If you've got a pet that sheds like it's auditioning for a fur carpet commercial, Roborock is your guy. Both vacuums offer app and remote control, but let's talk versatility. The Roborock has PresaSense LiDAR navigation, praised by reviewers for its precision and efficiency. XIEBro, on the other hand, has the Tuya Smart app and supports voice control with Google Assistant. Reviewers find it easy to operate and fun to use, though it may not be as precise as Roborock. If you want a high-tech navigator, go for Roborock. If you want a fun and user-friendly experience, XIEBro is the way to go. Let's get dirty, folks. The Roborock has a combined dustbin and water tank, allowing you to vacuum and mop simultaneously. Reviewers appreciate this all-in-one feature for its convenience. XIEBro has separate compartments, a 250 milliliters dust box and a 200 milliliters water tank. While effective, it may require more frequent emptying. If you value convenience and efficiency, Roborock wins this round. And now, let's talk stamina. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus can clean for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, making it ideal for larger homes. Reviewers love its long battery life. XIEBro offers up to 100 minutes of runtime, which is sufficient for smaller spaces, but may not cover larger areas in one go. If you need a marathon runner, Roborock is your choice. Lastly, the extra goodies. Roborock comes with a 2.5L dust bag that stores up to 7 weeks of debris. Reviewers highlight this as a major convenience. XIEBro, however, offers a range of cleaning modes and a slim design, making it a ninja in tight spaces. It also comes with a 12-month warranty and a bunch of accessories, which reviewers appreciate for added value. If you love extra features, both have their perks, but Roborock edges out for long-term convenience. Overall, reviews suggest that the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is a powerful, precise, and convenient option, albeit at a higher price point. On the other hand, the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and versatility, though it may require more frequent maintenance and isn't as powerful. So smart shoppers, which one gets your vote? The luxurious Roborock Q7 Max Plus with its powerhouse features, or the budget-friendly XIEBro that's a jack of all trades? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another fun and informative episode of Buy Smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.